Hello friends, welcome back to blog project in Laravel 10. Last video I have explained how to create a blog and we can store inside database. Like you can see it last video, suppose we have added two entries inside last video and how it's work like a slugs. So in this video we can continue blog work like a listings. I know we have discussed about the input tags, but let's finish first like a listing edit and deletes in this video. After we can do it like a tags, because tags I need to research about that which one is better and which one better for the SEO. So once I will discuss, I will let you know, but let's finish right now listing and edit and deletes. Okay, so we need to make here query and we can get the data. So I will show you step by step what we can do it here. And I have one request. You are new inside error solution, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever video we are uploading, so you always get the notification and you can learn every day new things, because we are working every day like a series wise, like a project wise, so you can learn everything is new. Okay, so let's start now and you can do now. Okay, so first of all you can make a query. So let's make zoom outs, app http inside block. So you can see it like a block controller inside we are there is a one routes like a blocks. Here you can see it. So here we need to make query and we can get the our block data. So simple, you can write here like get records is equal to block models, and inside we can do same function get records. Let's make some zoom out so you can see it clearly. After you need to go to your models, inside you can see it like block models. Just type like static functions get records, and here we need to pass our query wise data. Return self means is a class name. I already explained many times, but I will do every time because I don't want to miss like other students these reasons. Okay, selects block dot stars, because we need all the data about that blocks. After we can do like a join, we have users table, so we know okay which user is created for this block. So we can do it like users dot id is equal to blocks dot user id. I can show you why I'm doing like this. Okay, users id. Let's go to back again so you can see it inside database. You can see it here user id there. So user id concat like a users table. This reason I need to made like a user id join query. Same thing we can do it like a category. So just you can change here like category.id. So blog inside category id. Okay, now we need to use whatever information do you want to get inside users table. So just you can declare here like users dot name and category dot name. So I think we can use like a has dot name as a category name, and same thing we can use here users dot name as a user name. Suppose I go to inside a table, so you can see it. Suppose I go to users tables, so here you can see name column, and suppose I can go to category tables, so here also you can see name tables. This reason I have used means name columns, not tables. This reason I have used alias. Now we can use like some other query where this block is not deleted. So here is a permission work I will not implement now, but permission work once I will do after I can implement. Just right now I am doing like simple query so I can get the data zeros. After we can do it like order by blocks dot id descending order, because always new blocks mean new block post we need to show in first. This reason, and here I will make a paging net like a 20. I think make it like a 30s. Okay, so look like professionals. Just save these files and just go back and refresh the page so we can check here error there not there. So just refresh, so no any error, so it's working very well. Let's go back again and we can list out. So simple, just you can use get record. So first we need to pass our data inside list file. So just copy the get record variable inside, go to resources, inside need to go views, inside you can see backend and block inside list, and just need to write here. So it's better we can go to any other files and we can copy. Simple, go to category and you need to copy like this, just copy and paste here. So our record is a get records there. Also here you can see it like pagination, so we can just copy pagination and I can add here pagination also. So this one is done now. Now we need to write here is id, so is a blog id. Perfect. Now we need to use like titles. First we need a username who is created for this blog, so username. So I can type here like a username, whatever type you are here, like a blog insights, so like this username your types. So just you can change here like a username. Next one is a title, so whatever title you are there inside blog, so just go to blog tables. So you can see it like a title, so title columns. And we don't want to show slug because slug is like a developer works, so don't want to do slugs. Meta title we don't need. Meta description, meta keywords you can leave it. And also you can show here like categories, so just remove the titles, and here you can make like a category. And also meta title we don't need because we already used like title is a meta titles. After you can do it here like a category name, same thing we did inside a blog model like a alias. So same thing you can copy and paste here, so it works. Meta description, meta keywords leave it, status also leave it, but we need to add here is like publish. So we know we can publish, not publish. Inactive, active, it is working for the user sides. This is now implement, and here is the is publish, it is working our side. So just put is publish, and here you can make like yes or no. Okay, so this is the done, and here you can see it like edit and delete. So just you can change like blocks, and here also you can change like a block. So let's go back again and we can refresh the page, so we can see our data is showing or not showing. Just I refresh the page. Suppose error there, so we can solve the error. Suppose error not there, so here is showing. I think something error there, unexpected else if. And if else if, I think go to back again blog model because of the return self perfects unexpected else if and if category id get records. Let's make a here dd, so we can see it here error there. So I get the data, not get the data, so we can understand. I just go back again, so I am getting the data is working very well. You can see it here, item inside 2 items there. So this is the working. Okay, so let's go to blog list again, like for each empty. Okay, I forget like and for each, these reasons, just you can do and for each. Let's go to like a category one, so we can check. I think I mistake for the copy for this line, these reasons. Okay, so just you can do like for each, for else, empty, and for each. So meaning about like for else, if is data there, so it's going to inside, otherwise data not there, so it's going to else part. Is a shortcut methods about the for else, empty, and for else. Okay, not and for each, and for else. Let's save this file and just go back again and refresh the page, so you can see 2 records showing, username also showing, title showing, category showing, meta description, meta keywords. I think we don't want to show this one, so look like professional show because we need to show first images for the blogs. Okay, just leave it, we don't need a like meta title, meta description, so I will remove. Suppose we can add it and we can check. So do you want to leave it, so you can leave it, this is your decisions. I just remove right now, so you can see it like a professional way showing. Now we need to do here like our images, like a blog images. After we can do edit and deletes. So first we need to get the our blog images. So simple, go to blog models. This is the I am explaining like shortcut method. Function get image. Okay, after I need to make like if is not empty, like a block inside I can go and I can check what is the not empty, like image file. So I just copy this name and dollar this image file is not empty, and that file exists. So file exists, we can check like inside uploads, inside blog, and let's go to inside blogs. Inside we need to show this file name, so just copy and paste, and I can do here else part, return blank. Same thing we can do it here, return url like uploads blog image files. Okay, so here you are getting the our images. Let's show you how it gets. Just copy this name and you can go back here, and I just put here the new th. I hope you can understand what I did here. First I am checking is not empty files. After we are checking this, the files already there inside our database, so we can create a URL. Otherwise we need to pass our blank URL. Remains written blanks. So let's try like images. I just copy and I paste here, and I just change like a get image. Okay, let's save these files and just go back and we can refresh the page. So I just refresh the page. So you can see URL list available, means a URL available for these images. So we need to use here the image tag and we can show this one. So first of all we need to make here condition, is image already there or not there. I don't want to risk, because always need to condition wise work, so impossible generate anytime error. So client also like it. Okay, so just you can do it like and if, and here you can do it like img, and you can pass here styles, heights and width we can fix, so look like show professional. I just make 100 px heights, 100 px width. After whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end. Okay, so let's go back again and we can check now. So refresh the page. So you can see like our dog image is showing professional way, means it's good, is now showing. Now who is the created name, titles, category, status, publish and created dates and actions. Listing is done. Now we need to do like a edit parts. So edit part inside we need to create a new routes. I already provided one routes, panel, blocks, edits. So let's go to our routes inside web.php and inside go to blocks. So simple, just copy for the routes, both route and delete routes inside a category. So just we need to change like a category controller to block controller. Okay, now you need to change category to blocks. Now we can change again like a edit blocks, update blocks and delete blocks. So here we have done. So let's go to like a block controller. Inside we need to create a new routes like a edit blocks. So function edit blocks id. So same thing, you can go up and we can copy for the add one. Just put here. And here you can change like a block edits. We need to create a new file. We need also categories, so just leave it category. Also we need to use like a get records. Get record inside me means we need to get all the record about the blocks. So just you can do it here like a block models, and inside we need to create a new function get singles, and here you need to pass like a id. Okay, so let's go to inside block models and we can create a new function. So it's a get single. So just you can do it if very simple with static functions, and here you can pass like id, return, self, find and id. Okay, so you can see it whatever first id there we can go. Suppose do you want to do like this, so also can work. Here also you can do like this, so also can work, but I am using self, so we know okay self means the above class name. Okay, so this is the done. Now we can go back and we can create a new files after we can refresh the pages. So just go to block folders, means block directory, and inside we need to create a new file like blade.php and just copy for the add file and paste inside edits. It's very simple, very easy. Okay, just copy add one and paste inside edits. Let's go back again and we can check. I just click on the edit button, so you can see it is working very well, no issue now. Let's change like a add block to edit block, so we can understand okay this is the edit parts. So here we can put like a value, get records. Inside we can do title, title. Okay, title. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So here you can see it like titles. Same thing we can do it category here. So just copy and paste here, means here we can do it category like dollar. Here we can do it like category id is equal to dollar value dot id, sorry id, and here we can do it like a Here we can do it like a selected. Suppose same file found means same id found, not file, so we can do it here selected. Okay, so category id means our database id right now is block tables, and this is the like a here looping wise, so it's same, so we can do it like a selected. Now images now is not required because the second time, first time always we need to make a required, the second time we don't want to need a required. Okay, so same thing, you can go to again list one and you can copy for this code and paste inside here. Now we need to change value to get records because now our data getting inside a value to get records. Okay, so description inside we need to write like our description, so just you can copy again and you can put here. Sorry about that, I just put here descriptions. Tag we have not did, so leave it tag right now, we don't want to work now tags. Same thing you can copy and paste inside a like a text area about the meta description, and you can change here. Same thing you can do it inside a meta keywords because we need to use, so we can use it this reason. Okay, here is old, there we can remove old, we don't want to use now, and we can do it inside meta keywords. Now is a publish and status is available, so same thing we have did inside a here, so just copy and paste here, and you can change here is publish, and here you can make like fix 1 and 0 whatever you are there. Suppose yes means 1, so you can put yes 1, and here also you can put like a 0. Same thing you can do it here like a status inside, and you can change here like a is published to status, and also you can change here like a 0. Okay, let's save these files and let's go back again, so we can see it like all data is available, cannot available inside our database data there, this one. Just refresh the page, so 100% available, you can see it here like text editor inside available, inside you can see it like a meta description available, meta keywords we have not add, publish and status also available. So it is working very well. But now we need to save inside our database, so we are using like action, here is a blank, meaning about we don't want to use, so meaning about we don't want to create a new one, same as a action whatever here there, so we can use here. So we have already done inside web.php like update post, you can see it here. So simple, just copy this function name and inside you can go to block controller and you can create here new. Otherwise you can copy like a first one inside block, just copy and paste bottom. Okay, after you can do it here like a update blocks, is very simple, very easy, no any difficulty. And here we need to pass like our id $id, and here we can change like a block get single because we need two updates. Okay, now we don't want to use user type user id like whatever you are updating, so we don't want to user id, just removing. Other thing you can leave it. Also we don't want to need slugs, so just remove the slugs because slug we don't want to save. Why we don't want to save slugs? Slug is a one time creating, second time you are creating, so it generate the problem about the SEO, search engine optimization. Suppose Google is a ping like another slugs like your URL. After you change the URL, suppose anybody click on the URL, so it's going to different pages, not found. So it's not good idea for this slug. You can update, just you can create first time, so you can update. So do you want to leave it? So you can leave it this code, but I don't think is you can leave it. Okay, after your decisions. And here you can do it like a block successfully updated. Okay, now here we are providing like a db slugs, so same thing you can just save, and here you can pass like a slug, and after we can do it like a save slugs. Once you can do it, so again we have did like a save slugs. Okay, otherwise we can use it like this one, you can remove and you can use it here. Okay, now what we can do, what already images there, suppose you are uploading new images, so all old images we need to remove, we don't want to store in our server. So simple, you can check here if is not empty like $save get images, so here we can make like a unlink, so simple unlink. What is the our unlink? So just go to blog model and you can copy all thing and you can paste here. and now you can change here like save to image file, and here you can make semicolons. So already done unlinks. Now you can save, and here you can see like block successfully updated. Let's try now. It's working, not working. This code we are removing the old images and new images we are uploading this reason. Here you can see it like our slug. Okay, whatever slug before there, like this work for this image name. So let's save these files and just go back and we can check it is working, not working. I just press the enter, so we can see it is a work, not working. Let's add a meta description 123, and I can make 123, and I just press the enter. So here showing blocks will be updated, and I just add it. So let's see here, you can see it is working very well. 123 images, let's update, so we can check images also work, not work. I upload this black dogs. Refresh means submit the buttons. Okay, is working, but problem about cache. Suppose you can press Ctrl F5, so it's showing. Why? Because we are using same name. Suppose you are using different names, so automatically you can find out here. Okay, this is your decision. Whatever do you want to use, your name, same name, so you need to use the Ctrl F5. Suppose you are using the Windows, so automatic cache clear, and you can see it like a hard refresh. Okay, so last thing remaining here like a delete button. So let's sort out the deletes. Here already type, are you sure you want to delete records? And here we already done like inside edit close block model, we don't need. Here you can see it, we are creating new routes. So just copy and go to like here you can see it list inside also we are done panel block deletes, and here you can see panel block deletes. So just copy and go to like a block controller. Here we can do it like a function delete block, and here you can provide id. So just we need to use like same thing whatever you are using, and also we need to use like a same line, and here you can put like a deleted. I can show you, don't worry. Save his delete, because we are maintaining columns, we are not maintaining like a directly delete, means a permanently delete we are not maintaining, just we are maintaining column. Back, you can see redirect back with success, block successfully deleted. So let's go back again, we can check is working, not working. First of all we can check, let's test is the pagination work, not work, because we have already done. So let's go to like a list inside a block models, let's using go to definition, and here I can make like a once, so we can check is the pagination work, not work. So let's refresh the page, so you can see the pagination also working very well, no issue. Okay, so let's remove the pagination, we don't need now anymore, means remove, but let's make like a bigger numbers, so you can see it like a without pagination, like right now 2 there. Let's try now delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, and to delete, just okay. So you can see block successfully deleted, and here you can see it like status column is equal to is delete is equal to 1. Why? Because we are not getting data, but database inside there, because we have already made condition is delete is equal to 0, so we need to show, otherwise we don't want to show. Suppose I can go to database and I can make like 0 here again, and after I go back again, so you can see it is working very well. Okay, I hope you are clear about the edit, delete and listings, and next video we can do it like a input tags, because this is the I was still not done, because I need to show you like professional plugins, which plugin is good for you. This reason I am thinking, and I have not time yesterday, this reason today I have explained like edit, deletes and listings. Okay, and I hope you enjoy everything what I have explained, and you are new again in this series or in this channel, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so we are get always uploading new videos, so you can learn, and our family is going to goods, so we can enjoy in our side. Okay, is subscriber we are getting, and people like to watch our video, so we can do is like a professional simple response available, so we can do. Suppose response is not available, so how we can do it, and I hope you can understand our feeling, and thank you for watching.